every now and then Lindsay gets a little wet up there because one of these tunas, or the mahi-mahi in particular, will leap out of the water and do a belly flop coming back down in. They just get swimming so fast that if they happen to be going up, they go right out of the water, and then gravity brings them back down in. Let's see. Who else haven't we talked about? We haven't talked about the barracudas, and there's one way over on the far right-hand side. There are 6 California barracudas in here, and they look pretty lethargic, don't they? They're just swimming along pretty slow. They look like they're really not much of a threat to anybody. Don't believe it, okay? When they need to be, they can accelerate like an arrow that's fired out of a bow, and you can see they're shaped like an arrow. They're very skinny and long, and the tail that they have actually acts like the feathers on the arrow to help steer. And so they're very quick when they need to be. What they're doing is they're feeding around the edges of the food that Lindsay's throwing in rather than out in the middle, so that they won't get in the way of the tunas. The other thing they're doing, there are 2 of them up here now, is they're watching this school of sardines. You see, they're swimming right through the middle, and the sardines give them plenty of room, and that's fine, but they're looking for a sardine that isn't paying attention, okay? And if they find one, you may see one of them accelerate really fast and try to grab a sardine. So that does happen once in a while, but they don't get one very often. The sardines really are just too quick for them, and the barracudas have had enough food that they're not trying very hard. Now let's see, who else have we got in? I think we've pretty much talked about everybody. Actually, in between sizes, a little bit larger than the sardines, but smaller than the younger tunas, we have a couple of 100 fish that are 2 different kinds of mackerel. We have Pacific mackerel and jack mackerel in here.